So for this problem, to write the standard equation of an ellipse, so given the foci and the length of the minor axis, so first we need to plot the given coordinates. So from this foci, x is negative 2, so this is negative 2 for x, then y negative 3, and this is negative 3 for y. Then connect. So this is now the point for the focus. Then the other coordinate, x negative 2, and this is negative 2 for x. Then y positive 7. So this is positive 7 for y. Then connect. So this is now the point for the other focus. Now take note that the position of the ellipse depends on the position of the foci and the vertices. So observe that the foci on this graph is in vertical position, so therefore this ellipse is a vertical ellipse. And formula for the vertical ellipse, so we have x squared over b squared plus y squared over a squared equals 1. So first, we need to find the values for h and k. So h and k is the center of an ellipse. So therefore, from this graph, to locate the center, so using this foci, and we're going to use the counting method. So from this point of the foci to this point of the other foci, so we need to count. So in counting, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10, then divide this one by 2 because we need to locate the center. So 10 divided by 2, this one is 5. Then this time we need to count 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is now the point of the center and this point on positive y. So this is positive 2. Then center must be aligned to the foci. So therefore, this is now the point of the center. Then the coordinates for the center. So we have x, negative 2, and y, positive 2. So the coordinate is negative 2 and positive 2. So from the center, so we have now the values for h and k. So h is negative 2 and k is positive 2. Then this time, we need to find the values for b and a. So using these formulas to solve for a and b. So from this formula for a, center to vertex, since from this given there is no vertex, so therefore we cannot use this formula to solve for a. Then the other formula for a, the major axis divide by 2. Since from this given there is no major axis, so therefore we cannot use this formula to solve for a. Then proceed to b, center to co-vertex. Since there is no given co-vertex, so therefore we cannot use this formula to solve for b. Then the other formula for b, the minor axis divide by 2. Since we have this given minor axis, so therefore we can solve b using this formula. And minor axis is 8, then divide by 2, therefore b is equal to 4. Then this time to solve for A, we need to find first the value for C, and C is center to focus. So from center to focus, and this one is equal to 5. Therefore, this 5 is C. So C is equal to 5. So since we have now the values for B and C, so we can solve now for A using this formula to solve for A. So A is equal to the square root of B squared plus C squared. Then substitute now the values. So for B is 4 and C is 5. So we have 4 squared plus 5 squared. Then to simplify, so this 4 squared is 16 and 5 squared that's 25. So therefore A equals, so this 16 plus 25 that's 41. So A equals the square root of 41. So since we have now the four values, the H, the K, the B, and A, so we can write now the standard equation for this ellipse using this formula. So we have x minus h, and h is negative 2, then squared, then we have y minus k, k is positive 2, then over b squared, b is 4, so this is over 4 squared, then a squared, a is square root of 41, so square root of 41 to the power 2. Then to simplify, so this double negative, so this becomes positive, then y minus 2, then for this 4 squared, this one is 16, and the square root of 41 to the power 2, so just cancel the radical, so this is 41. So this is now the standard equation for this ellipse.